Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a couple boxes we're going to unbox and see what they are. Super excited about this. Let's begin. So we'll just go ahead and begin with the little box, the little package. Open that up. Got some bulbs. And some HID ballasts. Alright. Let's just go ahead and put this here. Pull it out, take a look. And look at that, guys. We got new headlights for our truck. You guys can't really see too much because of the glare. And something else came into the box too. We have wires. But these wires are to run our daytime running lights. Let's go ahead and pull the other one out and see what we need to do to get the HIDs in these lights. Look at that, guys. We have our HID light, our little rubber silicone piece that'll go into the back of the light. And then off of it we'll have our ballast, our decoder, and then this thing. But they also came with these 3M double-sided sticky tape. And we will go ahead and turn these around. We will find what bit we need to use to pull out to drill behind this, and we'll be able to replace our light right here. Alright, so let's find that bit and get started. Alright guys, now that you have your hole drilled and your HID light through it, we'll go ahead and pull this out again, and we'll grab some silicone. I used the tub and shower one. And we will just go ahead and put a little bit right on the inside of that seal. Like so. You don't need very much, just a little bit. And get your wires, pop back through. And then you just kind of slowly work the rubber in. And we'll spread it around so all of it gets sealed up. Just kind of like that. And same on the inside. You'll go ahead and just kind of push a little bit. Don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of like that. And we'll set it off to the side. Kind of set it so it still sits up against each other. And then we will go ahead and do the other side. Alright, now that silicone is dry, go ahead and pull these wires off the light. You know, these two little clips. All headlights vary on what's actually in there. And you will pull the bulb out, if it'll allow you. You pull it out. Okay, on your HIDs, you'll take off this plastic right here. And I just cut mine. I've already done the other side. So we'll just cut it, take it around the wires, pull the cap off, and that is your HID. Okay, this little line right here, that will face the bottom. So we will go ahead and put that in, get it into place, grab your clips, and get them set in. Make sure you wiggle the light, make sure it fits in there nice and tight. Okay, then you'll grab your wire harness and you'll put black with black, and the red will go with it'll either be white, blue, or red. So you'll get those plugged in, and you'll get everything shoved back in. Just like that. And you'll go ahead and get that all twisted in. And now you're ready to go. You can take your old headlight if you're going to save it. Put it back in. And then your headlight's safe. So now it's time to go put these in the truck. So let's go. Okay guys, now that you have your lights all ready to go, you can start assembling your truck. So pop the hood, then you pop your plastic out. And the last one you can just kind of roll off to the side. And then you'll just take your bolts out. And then you pull your grill out. If you guys stick around till the end, we have a very special surprise. Alright. And then you will have two more holding in your headlight. Right here. And if you want to, you grab an extension to get the light below, to get the bolt below, right here. Make sure you hold on to that. That way it doesn't spin, because it will. And you just pull that out. And then you have clips on the inside too. Pop the cover. And you pop it out. Just like that. You got your clips. Unclip it. And they do have locks on them. And do the exact same to this side. We're just going to mount the HID ballast up top like we did on the other side. And then we will grab our new headlight. And we will just go ahead and start plugging in everything. Now pull your protective plastic back just a touch. That way you're not scratching the light as you're putting it in. Try not to pop any of your clips out. If you do, it's alright. Just go ahead and put them back in. After you have put it in, you just take off the protective plastic. And we'll put it back in our bolts. Good time to check the level on the headlights. Because if they are not level, then you won't really, you have weird patterns in there. Okay, they look level. Try not to do that. So then we will go ahead and put in our lights. Alright guys, now we still need to finish. This is our new surprise. We have a brand new grill. I think it looks pretty good on there. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So we can go ahead and grab this and we will pop in our clips. And then take our bolts and we'll get those put in as well. And we'll grab our plastic as well. And we'll pop these all back in. Just like that. Then we will wait until tonight and adjust the headlights.